Alright folks, it's February 2nd at 1 p.m. 2021 here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. This is our second snowstorm for the year basically that we're starting. There's a couple centimeters there. Nothing too crazy yet, but it was calling for quite a bit. Myself, I hope it stops quick and melts faster. But then again, I really don't care in a lot of ways. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I enjoy making these videos for you. There's a lot of snow down. I mean, it was grass since the last snowstorm, really. We've had a pretty light winter here in my neck of the woods. But as you can see, it's starting to get quite messy out here. A lot of blowing snow coming in off the Atlantic. Looks like it's coming in from the east. And it says 1 degree but feels like -5 on the weather network that you can look up on your mobile device. She's starting to fall. There's probably about a centimeter or so of snow. Half inch. Fell in the last 20 minutes. See what this way looks like. And we'll peek out. That vehicle's got some snow on it already, and roads are pretty treacherous right now. It's right with the wind, but hey, it's a snowstorm. So with that, guys, like I said, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing, clicking that notification icon. Always the awesome, beautiful comments, and much love from the Cape. XOXO. Hashtag no fear, guys. I'm out.